Hello guys, welcome to another brand new video. So in today's video we are going to be looking at this bull market scalping strategy, a strategy you can use to catch 20 to 10 candles in this bull market index. Okay, so stay tuned, stick around, make sure you watch this video to the end, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new, and also like the video. Okay, so with that being said, let's proceed with the strategy. So in today's video we are going to cover both how the strategy works and the settings for the strategy. Okay, but the first thing we're going to be talking about is the settings for the strategy, which is going to be the most important part of the video. Okay, so let's quickly set the settings up for the strategy. And if you want to set this up, click on this icon right here. This is where you're going to be adding all your indicator up. So we need just 4 indicators. First one is the alligator, the second one is the moving average, the third one is the stochastic oscillator, and the last one is the awesome oscillator. This is all the indicator that we need for the strategy. Okay, so moving on to the first one, which is going to be the alligator. So how do we add it up? We click on this F icon right here, we search for alligator, and this is the parameters. Now looking at this parameter, the drop period is 14, the Joe shift is 7, the tilt period is 14, the tilt shift is 8, lift period is 14, lift shift is 3. It is instead applied to medium price. Now for the style, using color of choice, make sure you use the gel style and the lift style. Now for the teeth, make sure you set it as your background color. Okay, so click on save once you add everything up, and that is the alligator for our first indicator. Now moving on to the next one, which is going to be the moving average. How do we add it up? We click on this F icon again, we search for moving average and the parameters. Now the period is 2, shift is 2, method is exponential, apply to closed, and for the style, use any color of choice and click on save. So that is the second indicator we need for the strategy. Now for the next indicator, which is going to be stochastic oscillator, click on this F icon right here. We search for stochastic oscillator, and we don't need the parameters. What we need is the levels, and for the levels we need the 15 and the 5 levels. Of course, go back and click on save. So for the last indicator, which is going to be the awesome oscillator right here. So to add this awesome oscillator up, we click on this F icon again. We search for some oscillator, and this is the parameters. Of course, for the awesome oscillator, we don't need any parameters. We just have to set it as default. So click on save, and that's the indicator we need for this strategy. Now, how do you use this strategy to take your 20 to 30 candles? This is where you have to listen and listen very carefully, and make sure you stick around and follow all the steps that I'm about to teach you guys in this video. And also, if you're a forex trader or you are new to forex, don't forget to sign up with a broker that's going to offer you a deposit bonuses. Okay, I'm going to leave a broker in the link in the description below, so you can join the broker. It's going to give you a $30 deposit bonus, and apart from that, you are also going to be getting bonuses every time you deposit into your MT5 account. Okay, so link in the description below, so you can join the broker. Okay, so with that being said, let's proceed with the strategy. Now the first thing we want to do is, whenever we want to take a trade with this strategy, let's say we come to the chart and we are looking for our 10 candles, our daily 10 candles or our 10 candles. Now when you come to the chart, let's say you are now in the chart right now, the first thing you want to see in price is that you are looking for multiple spikes coming to the chart, coming to the price, which means that we are looking for multiple spike on this index, which is class 1000. Now this multiple index is going to lead the awesome oscillator to where it touches the 15 levels of the stochastic oscillator. Okay, so before it comes to the 15 levels, it has to be coming from the 12 levels. If the awesome oscillator is at the middle and not touching the 12 levels before it comes straight to the 15 levels, we don't consider that as a trading setup. What we want to see is, anytime we want to see that awesome oscillator comes straight to 15 levels, we want to see it coming from the 85 levels, which is the most important part. Now once we confirm this, then the next thing we do is to wait for the awesome oscillator to start changing in volume. Okay, so this is where it's first change in volume right here, and you go back to this color, change in volume again, go back to the color, and change, and finally change in volume right here. So this is where we are going to be focused on. this is where we are going to be focused on. Now, why is that? Now, once we confirm that the oscillator is not changing color right here, then we are now going to be looking out for where there is a cross above the alligator on our main chart, which with a candle, which is this candle right here. So once we confirm this, we should already see that the oscillator as well is we start building momentum on overbought levels. Okay, after coming from this oversold region, yeah, it will surely be coming from this overbought level with small candles. Now, once we confirm this, then as long as we see that this line right here start building momentum, that is when we are going to enter our trade. Now, I'm talking about this area right here. So this is the candle that was we are going to enter our trade from. This candle right here is going to be the one we are going to enter our trade from. Now, you catch your 10 candles, 20 candles, and you close your positions. Okay, I'm going to explain this again, but I'm going to do that on another page. Okay, so this is crash 1000 index. Now, this is what I'm talking about right here. Now, on crash 1000, we can see that this is recent price move. This is where price is currently. So this is recent price move. Let me show you guys how you can trade with this strategy. First thing you will want to see is that you want to see that the oscillator is coming from the 15 levels straight to the 85 levels. Now, what's going to allow the oscillator come straight from the 15 levels to 85 levels? That is going to be spike. A multiple spike in the market is going to lead the oscillator straight to the 85 levels. Once the oscillator touch the 85 levels, now we want to see it start changing in volume, which means that it has to change from this color to this color. Now, once it changes from this color to another color, then the next thing we wait for is a candle closure above the alligator, which is this candle right here. Now, after we confirm that this candle has already break below the alligator, then we are now going to be patiently waiting for the oscillator to start showing to start coming to the oversold region with a candle right here. It's coming from this top right here downwards. Okay, start building in momentum. After all these lines start building up, that is when we are going to be looking for a trade. Now I'm looking for that area and looking for that to happen site at this candle. So this is where it happen with this candle right here, and that is the candle we are going to be enter our trade from. Catch our 10 candles and close our positions. Very simple, very straightforward strategy, and that's how it works. If you have any question, don't forget to comment down below or contact me on WhatsApp. So if you guys find this video helpful, if you find this video helpful, subscribe, like, and turn on post notification anytime posting strategy. You guys should be aware. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.